Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. How are you today? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Here's the Daily CRUMB to help you along your way. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day this is for you. Morning for me. I was up before the sun today and then did my morning scroll. Lay down in my chair and I think I dozed off for another hour. It's only like 8 o'clock in the morning here. Anyway, welcome to the Daily CRUMB with me, Wingy's new babe, Majeki Gwe, your friendly, freaky ass, sweet ass wanted medicine woman. It's Christiana Carr, superstar. All this beautiful divine being right here. Welcome, all you beautiful divine beings. Right here too. And how goes it with you? Alrighty, let's dive in. Yeah, tired, worked yesterday. I went to bed at like 10 o'clock last night. Go to bed early, and then I'm up at 10 to 5 this morning. Ow! I never fall asleep right away. I was tossing and turning and tossing, and turn all night. Who knows that song? That's an oldie. It's a goodie. Okay, stop messing with that. Okay. Jumping, here we go. I'm a swinging note, you know. There we go. One for today. Let's start this week. It's a Monday here in the Peterborough. Starting to cool off a little bit after that heat wave. Yeah. Oh, there one fell to the floor there. Yeah. The floor. Oh, excuse me. I don't know if I get back up. I can always get back up. One way or another, can't keep this one down. Oh. Truly sacred rest is soul care. Oh, hasn't this been coming up? Been working hard. We all been working hard. We've been taking time to rest at the same time. Maybe that's it. Well, you know, balance. Truly sacred rest is soul care. We honor quiet time alone. We intentionally step away from the chaos of life. We unplug from noise and distractions. We relish moments of tranquility. That was from Dana Arcuri. Do you relish moments of tranquility? Do you intentionally unplug from the noise and distractions and step away from chaos? Do you? Or do you think, oh no, it's just all going to go to hell in a handbasket if I don't do something right now? I can't stop. I can't sit down. I don't know. How does it go for you? I know some people like that. Pause. Shed a layer. Recalibrate. Pause, shed a layer, and recalibrate. I do something with my drum I call a recalibration. This is a 57. It's the year they was born, the one person I was thinking about. Okay. 57, what's that's a 12, is 3. Right here, self-expression. Getting that truest. Be ourselves fully and true. The way you see you, not the way others do. Right, I'm thinking of my drum over there. I do a thing called recalibration. A whiff of my drum. That's right. I made this medicine wheel. Like it. I get you standing the medicine wheel and I take my drum. Technique I learned from Fiona at the Healing House School, but I've made my own. So, and I use my because I used my eagle feather with it. I have a great big long, excuse me, it's a wing feather. Well, I was told by an elder it was for direction. It's the wing feather, and that's how they steer, right? Dip the wings, this wing. Of course, use the tail feathers and stuff too. Anyway, so I do a recalibration. Drum all around, just bring in all that energy, and then I sweep with my eagle feather all around you, in front of you and behind you. And that's clearing whatever you're ready to let go of. Help you to clarity on the direction, see where you've been, where you're going, all that kind of stuff, whatever, and it's all left to the divine, because I don't know what I'm doing. I just have the intention to help. Anyways, that's something I offer here. I think it's best to do it personally. I haven't done that as distance. Because you got to feel that drum. Oh. Ouch. Ay, my. Nobody can hurt me as much as they hurt me. Holy grakies. Ay. Isn't that how we all are, right? Our own worst enemies, our own worst critics. Let me tell you, I had some critics that were way worse than my inner critic. Even my inner critic going, well, I wouldn't be that hard on you. Look at that. Thank you very much. Those just flew out there so quick. Loyalty. What are you loyal to? Maybe we're loyal to our stories. Maybe it's the wrong thing. Maybe we're loyal to the wrong peoples, right? What was that? 14 and 34 burden baskets, right? Become self-reliant, right? Become loyal on those ones that don't bite the hand that feeds you. But hey, you know, maybe they're intentionally making you come back to them, and you don't need to bite their hand, but maybe you need to step away. Go feed yourself for a little while. I don't know. Because it all comes from within, and there's some that use that to control us, right? Oh, I'm your sustenance. Come to me for everything. You know, especially narcissistics. They want to be your be-all, end-all. I don't know. How's that go for you? So here we are. The Pow-Wow, the 25. That's the 7, right? The quickening, the sharing, and we are in the Pow-Wow season. It's in full Pow-Wow season. Love it. Make it to a Pow-Wow if you can. That'd be awesome. Actually go to a Pow-Wow. This is when the time we come together. We share our the best of what we have. We do our dances. We celebrate together. It's that quickening of the new things to come, you know? What we're bringing in, the stuff that we're releasing, you know, and the quickening is the time just before the baby comes. And, you know, the woman gets that nesting time. Oh, I got to get the room ready and everything. We kind of automatically know. And then there's messages that are coming in that. What is the messages coming in for you that you feel that you need to act on? It's starting to, you know the time is coming. You know, you keep getting the message. It's a reoccurring message. It's a reoccurring dream. It's something that keeps coming up in your life. And that's source, universe, whatever you want to call it, your own higher being, self, whatever, right? Edging you on to be that fullest expression of you. It's that quickening to be reborn. You are almost there. We're almost there. Isn't this exciting? This is such an exciting time to be alive here and walking this earth, right? And what is the message of your life? What's it giving to you? And then when we live it, we live by example. What kind of message is that sending to others? I don't know. I just popped in my head. I have this shirt, try and stop me. I'm like, oh my goodness, is that a message? Is that a challenge that people are going to try and stop me? Maybe I don't want to wear that shirt. Some people like those kinds of challenges. I'll show you. I've been through enough of that. Again, I couldn't self-sabotage. I had too many others out there sabotaging for me. So, whatever. It's all right. I'm still here. I'm still going and growing and loving life. Right? No matter how sad I am, there's always joys and always something to be thankful for. All right. So, almost 10 again. Here we go. Biggest heart hugs ever. Yes. Thank you for being you. Shining your light through everything you do, because you know what? This world needs you to be you. Fully, holy, and true. Don't let that world miss out on all that's you. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you choose to stay. Let's go celebrate another wonderful, blessed day. Beautiful beings. Love you. Mwah.